Okay, so this is a video I'm making of an unboxing of the TMNT Muckman figure set, the new Sewer Squad box set. And also here's a couple other, this is what it looks like. It says pizza points inside, delivered hot, green, black logo. Here's the label that tells you it's the TMNT Muckman. And here is the pizza points reversed out in green and black on the other side. Logo over here. So this one's still sealed. I just got it in the mail today. I'm pretty excited. It wasn't very expensive. There's a couple other figures, the story behind how I came across that. So I was out at a flea market the other week with my mom, and I picked up this out of the package April O'Neil for really cheap, probably like 25 cents. So I had April O'Neil, and I had her sitting around, and this was my first one of the 2012 figures that I had out of the package. So she was a little lonely, so I went hunting for a Donatello figure, and I found this guy on eBay for about $6.50, which wasn't too bad. If I would have gotten him a few years ago, I probably could have got it a little cheaper, but it's not a bad price for the set combined. So he doesn't have his weapon, but it didn't really matter because he's just going to be standing around on my shelf anyway. So I have these two now, and I just have them sitting on my desk basically for display. Here's a couple other ones I picked up. I picked up this Janine Power Pack Heroes Ghostbusters Janine Melnitz at the same flea market for probably about 25-50 cents, something like that. Here's a couple other cool ones I picked up recently. It was the Silverhawks Quicksilver. I just recently got his cape, and I got his bird Tallyhawk. His wings are a little bit loose, but it's pretty cool. His legs work, or his arms work. Kind of. So he's a pretty cool figure. The paint's not terrific. It's better than some. I also found this guy, Monstar, the other day at a antique small, the Roller Mills Antique Small. So he's pretty cool. I had one when I was a kid. I had both of them, but I think I busted the chest piece off by accident somehow. So those are some of my cool finds. But when I was looking for Donatello, that's when I came across the Muckman figure set on eBay, and it was only like $13. So I had wanted to get Muckman, the one that's in the package, but that one's around $100, so I haven't quite gotten enough extra cash to afford that one yet. Hopefully I will one day. But so while I was searching for Donatello, I discovered Muckman, and so I got both of them. It only cost me around 20 bucks for the two of them, $21 maybe. So here's my Muckman figure set, and I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. So you can see all the little logos on the inside. If I tilt this up a little bit, you might be able to see some more. See a little better. It says, keep collecting pizza points and Sewer Squad. Oh, keep collecting pizza points, hashtag Sewer Squad. And then inside of this, let me get to this last. You get a poster and a Leonardo bandana mask, which is pretty cool. This is promotional for Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which I like the character design, I like the artwork. I haven't been a huge fan of the cartoon or the toys so far. I don't know, I might change my mind someday. You get these two sticker sheets, and you get the Muckman figure. So I haven't decided if I'm going to take him out of the sealed bubble yet or not, sealed package. That would probably be a different video. But he's pretty cool to follow, so you can see through the middle of him there. Got some cool paint, good details and everything. I like on the top here he has the banana peel, which on the original vintage figure, the banana peel was like a little stopper and you could pull it off from the top of his head. I think you could like pour ooze into him or something, I'm not sure. Muckman figure. And then on the back, and he's not, you know, kind of plain on the back. Here's something interesting. The feet are big and hollow inside. So that's kind of interesting. The shoulders are way off. One shoulder's way up here, one shoulder's way down here. Grotesque abomination of human garbage. So that's about it. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to take him out of the package or not. I might at some point, maybe if I end up buying another one. But for now, he's going to stay in his factory sealed bag. Thanks for watching.